Hello everyone, we have installed Flutter, but before starting building Flutter application, we need to understand very basic concept in Flutter, that is widget. The Flutter basic code structure is based on widget. So, in this video, we will try to understand what is widget. What are the types of widget? What is widget tree? In Flutter, every component on application screen is called widget. Button, images, text, icons, cards on Flutter application screen are all examples of widgets. As you can see in the example mobile application UI icon, text, image, text field, and card are all widgets. Just like tag elements in HTML are specified by properties. Similarly, in Flutter, each widget is specified by properties or also called attributes. In the example, size and color are the properties of icon widget. Width and height are the properties of image widget. Similarly, text widget has properties like font size, font weight, font, family color, background color. So we grab the concept of widget, that each Flutter application is made of widgets, and each widget is specified by a set of properties. Now it's time to explore different types of widgets available in Flutter. Let's discuss them one by one. Number 1. Structural widgets. These widgets define the structure of the Flutter app UI. For examples, scaffold widget, app bar widget, and bottom navigation bar widget. Number 2. Layout widgets. These widgets help in arranging other widgets on the screen. There are two types of layout widgets. 1. Single child widgets that contains single child like container center and padding. 2. Multi-child widgets that contains multiple childs like row column and table. Number 3. Visible and invisible widgets. Visible widgets. These widgets are visual elements on screen like text, button, icon, and images. Widgets. Invisible widgets. These widgets are used for structure or layout, like row, padding, and scaffold widgets. 4. Stateless and stateful widgets. Stateless widgets are used where there is no need to change the state or value in Flutter application, but stateful widgets are used when needed to change the value, just like variables, in Flutter application. Number 5. Basic widgets. These are some of the common widgets usually used in Flutter application like text, button, image, row, and column widget, etc. Hello, everyone. Now it's time to write code for first Flutter application, but in every programming language before writing first line of statement. We learn the basic structure of that programming language. As in C++, the programs start with main function. Here in Flutter, the basic structure of Flutter code is in the form of widget tree. As we already discussed that each Flutter application is made of widgets. Let's understand what is widget tree with example. Flutter makes a widget tree for each application, so each application is arranged in the form of widget tree. In Flutter Material app is the root widget of each Flutter application, and acts a wrapper for the Flutter application, as you can see in example in the red color. Then the Material app widget contains scaffold widget using home property. The scaffold widget provides basic structure for Flutter application. The scaffold widget divides the whole application in the two parts. One is app bar, blue in example, and the other is body, yellow in example. The app bar is also a widget which contains title of the Flutter application using text widget. And the body provides container for the rest of Flutter elements using layout widget. As we can see in the example, there are 3 text widgets inside body using column multi-child widget. Now I am so much excited to write the code for the first Flutter application. Let's build the first Flutter application according to the discussed example using VS Code.